Imagine getting high quality leads delivered to you in under 60 seconds. No ads, no website, no funnel, just one button. That's exactly what people are claiming about something called AI Lead Automator. But is it real? Is it just hype? Or could this actually be the easiest way to get leads in 2025? Stick around. We've tested it, broken it down, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether it's worth it or just another shiny object. AI Lead Automator is a digital tool created by James Renouf, and it does something pretty wild. You choose a niche, pick a location, and in seconds, it scrapes the web using AI to find real verified leads. We're talking names, emails, if sometimes even social media links or business profiles, and all of it without needing a landing page, a paid ad, or a single line of code. Just open it, pick your market, hit go, and boom, the leads appear. It's kind of like the Uber of prospecting, minus the wait time and cost. Let's talk about what you actually get. The front-end product, that's the base version, gives you access to the lead engine, unlimited niche selection, worldwide location targeting, and copy-paste outreach templates. No bells and whistles, just raw, verified data you can use straight away. The smart bit? It's not just scraping random stuff. It uses intelligent prompts to pull fresh data, not those outdated lists from years ago. And yes, there are optional upgrades like auto email outreach, resell rights, and masterclasses on how to sell these leads to others. But even the basic version works perfectly fine to get started. Let me give you two examples. First, imagine you run an agency helping fitness coaches. You enter Fitness Coaches Plus Manchester. In seconds, you've got 50 to 100 verified coaches all ready for outreach. Pitch them your service, and boom, new clients. Second, someone we know started a side project helping therapists. They pulled 600 mental health leads, built a small directory, and sold access to the list itself. Total cost, $10 for the tool. Return, $400 in 1 week. Not bad for pushing a button, eh? So what's the catch? The good? No tech, no funnel. Works globally in any niche. Ideal for beginners, agencies, freelancers, even affiliates. You get leads in real time, not old spreadsheets from 2020. The not so good, you still need to message these leads yourself. Conversion depends on how well you pitch. Some emails may be generic like info unless you upgrade. You'll probably want an outreach tool or script to go along with it. Bottom line, this tool gets you in the door. What you do next, that's up to your strategy. This is perfect for marketers tired of ad costs, affiliate marketers who need real prospects, agency owners or consultants doing cold outreach, local businesses wanting new clients, even students flipping leads for side income. You don't need to be a techie. You don't need a big audience. You don't need to spend a single penny on traffic. You just need a plan and a bit of hustle. If you're tired of chasing leads, if you want to skip the ads, skip the funnels, and just start conversations with real people, click the link in the description. It's a one-time payment, no monthly fees. You'll be inside within minutes. But here's the thing. Tools like this don't stay cheap forever. James Renouf has a history of raising prices after launch. So if you want in and you want leads now, not later, tap the link below, grab your copy, and start generating leads today. This is your shortcut to doing what most people take weeks or months to figure out. Hit that link, get the edge, and go close your first deal today. Grab my exclusive bonus worth $747. If you decide to pick this up through my link, I've got a special bonus waiting for you, worth a tidy $747. It's designed to help you start making money online and scale up to $10,000 per month, even if you're starting from scratch. Here's how to claim it. Just take a quick screenshot of your purchase confirmation, send it over to me via Instagram DM, and I'll send the full bonus straight to you. No faff, no waiting around. You don't want to miss this. It's proper value and only available through my link.
James Renouf here.
And Mix G.
And welcome to AI Lead Automator. Get excited, get pumped, because this is absolutely insane. This is something that people have been wanting, have been asking for ever since I've been in online marketing. But today, it finally comes. What is the lifeblood of any business? The lifeblood of any business, especially online, is leads. But that's the thing. People are like, how do I get leads? Do I have to make a big YouTube channel? Do I have to go out there and have a web page? Do I have to do all this crazy tech? A lot of times the answer is yes. But now it's not just the fact that you don't have to do any of that stuff. It's the fact that on demand, with the click of a button, you can literally get not just a lead, but basically all the leads you can stand for any niche that you want. Max and I are going crazy with this, and we just discovered this not too long ago, and we're getting all kinds of leads for the make money online niche is what we focus on. Now we're getting finally into other niches. We're getting into painters. We're getting into the weight loss niche. Why? Because we can push a button and get the perfect leads just like that, and they're downloaded to us. If we want to put them onto a list, boom, we could do that. If we want to sell those leads, that is another huge aspect of this, and we get the money, we get paid, and then we get the leads. Again, we just push a button. It's crazy to think, but it's real. Get any leads that you want, real time, verified leads, explode your business, explode your list, and or get paid for other people that want these leads. And the thing is, the amount of money that you can get paid for these leads is absolutely insane. Max, you know we're pumped about this. You know we're excited about this. We're growing our business like crazy. And now we're bringing it to the community because guess what? We can't go after every single niche in the world. There's only so much time in the day. Normally, we wouldn't necessarily even share something like this because it's so freaking powerful. But you know what? We can't go after every niche, but now you can. Max?
Yeah, I'm really super excited that we can release something like this. This is a huge game changer. As James already said, the lifeblood of any online business are leads. So you need leads in order to be able to make money online, period. This product here will give you leads. When we discovered this product or this strategy, where we were like blown away. We didn't believe that something like this exists and that it's that easy. This is really like copy and paste leads. Like, can you click a button? Yeah, of course you can. Now you can get leads by just clicking a button, leads in any niche, leads that you can use for your own business or that you can sell to people who are looking for leads in all kinds of niches. This is amazing. This is super insane. So make sure to click on the button right now. AI can do everything for you. So even if you have never made a single cent online before, even if you don't have a following on social media, no website, you don't need any of that stuff. You need to be able to click on a couple of buttons and you will get a flood of fresh leads right into your autoresponder or wherever you want them in a matter of seconds. Like, this is insane. Click on the buy button down below and I hope to see you inside.